We get asked a lot how to remove the chrome shifter extension from the lower shifter. So this is the lower shifter that would be coming out of the transmission, and the shift boot usually covers this area. This is about where the tunnel is, and about this much of the lower shifter sticks up. And people want to remove the chrome shifter extension either to replace the bushings inside or just because they are doing some work and they need to remove the console. So the key is this piece. This is the bottommost piece that holds everything together, and it's here at the bottom, and all we have to do is put a screwdriver in one of the slots and pry it out. And sometimes this is in a little bit harder than this, and sometimes one needs maybe 2 screwdrivers, one from each side. But it's usually, once the method is known, it's not that difficult to pry it out. And once this is out, with a little bit of tugging and turning, this will come apart. And one of these pieces and this end piece looks like it stayed inside, but this is how they go. Is the bottom piece that holds everything together, one round bushing, the clip, another round bushing, and then the end piece.